Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Monday, May 20th. We do got some important news later this week, but on Monday and Tuesday here this week, it's going to be very light here. So it's going to be more on the news side of things. So news releases, nothing scheduled. So we're just going to jump over the headline news, and currently the stock market's up. And only other really no news to note is the Fed member who's non voting member, Fisher out of Dallas, had a little speech today, and he's kind of all for the Fed to maybe start pulling back on the mortgage-backed securities purchases. So there's been some talk of rumblings with a few members that they like to either just kind of quit altogether or just kind of start moving. And some of those people were at the last meeting kind of were thinking that. But this person's a non-voting member, as of right now Fisher is, but he was just voicing his opinions. So that's kind of important, obviously. We're just going to jump over to the bond market and take a look, see how interest rates are moving. And as we saw Friday, got pushed down to our low. We've been touching on the 102.50-ish for a few of those days last week. We had 3 days where it kind of touched off of it. Today is actually pushing it, so it's possible we could go lower. Our next floor of support is down the 102.10-ish range, so that's another half a point we could potentially lose on our pricing. So we need to be very cautious here. As we can see, we definitely got this downward trend here. Originally we had, because earlier in the day last week we were kind of trending up here, we thought maybe we could get a little spike up, but end of the day up down here at the 102.50-ish, which is now pushing this floor here. So if we keep pushing this, it's possible it could break, and it's looking like that is possible today. So rates are on the verge of worsening today. They did start off the morning a little high, a little better, but since then they've lost whatever gains that they started the morning off. As we can see here, we're currently down about 6 basis points from where we left off yesterday, which is not really enough to do a price change in itself. But again, just be cautious. But we could have another floor of support could be tested and could be brought down to the 102.10-ish range. Okay. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. We'll just, again, flip side is stock market's doing well. The bad side is rates are kind of creeping up as a result. All right, folks, have a great day. See you tomorrow.